everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy, and for today's video I am so emotional right now because I am doing an unboxing of my very first Chanel bag. I've wanted this bag since I was like 11 years old, so I'm really happy that I was finally able to purchase this for myself. I was like more serious of like purchasing the bag, like I think I was ready for the past like 2 years. But I was always holding it off, and while I was holding it off, every like 5 months there's been an increase on the bag. The price increases have been like crazy the past year. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it now because I'm literally terrified that there's gonna be another price increase, and I know there will be. There's so many changes going on with Chanel. They're adding like more. They're trying to make it more exclusive, and there's even like a new rule where you can only buy a certain amount of classic bags per year. I mean, that rule does not apply to me because I'm not going to be buying another one for like maybe like 5 more years, but I'm really, yeah, so I'm just like really happy that I got it. I was able to do it in a way that I wish I had known before because I was able to save some money. So yeah, I saved on a Chanel. Well, the way I did it and how I saved was, I'm so thankful for my brother's girlfriend, Sally, because she like helped me throughout the entire process. But so I had no idea you can do this, but if there is a Chanel within a Nordstrom, so I was able to purchase my bag at a Chanel boutique that is inside a Nordstrom. And if you buy it that way, you're able to use your Nordstrom gift card inside that Chanel. I had so many points on my Amex. I had like over 170 like points, 170,000 points on my Amex card, and I usually use my points in a very like sporadic way. Like I don't really use them the way you should, honestly. I just like never have time to go on vacation, so like I just never use them for trips, and so I just never use them well. And I realized that I could get a gift card on Amex, like on the app, with my points to Nordstrom, and I had like about like over like 100 and I had like over 1,500 that I could buy a gift card for Nordstrom for 1,500. So I was able to use that at Nordstrom. So I was able to pay for my bag using my points, which was really like insane. I had not known that. If I knew that, I would have bought the bag years ago. And then what else? And then I used my Nordstrom like I guess like you give them your phone number and you can add that day to be like your double points day. So if you're like a Nordstrom loyalty member, which is like I think free to sign up, you are able to choose your double points day. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you're able to choose what day you want to do your double points day, and I was able to choose that day obviously because I was like buying such a big purchase. So I got a lot of points on Nordstrom too that amount to like I think like $180 like dollars in points that I have now. I just checked. That's how much I have right now. It could be from like other purchases, but like yeah, I have $180 like dollars worth of like Nordstrom like Nordy bonus things, whatever. So I could use that to buy something else. So yeah, so I was able to save some money buying it at Nordstrom, and then I was able to use my points. So if you're like me and you have like so many points and like you don't travel because of work, but like if you have just like a lot of points, you can use that and save some money. And I just feel like a lot of people may not know that, so that's why I wanted to bring that up. You may already know this and I'm just like wasting your time. So looking at my receipts, there is a Chanel receipt. Like this one says Chanel and then this one says Nordstrom, which is interesting. So looking at the Nordstrom one, the bag was $8,200. The sales tax was $779. I was able to use my Nordstrom gift card that was $1,500, and then I was able to use my I got like a ton of points for this purchase, which was great. And yeah, so this is my receipt. The total amount that I paid was $7,479, which is insane. Another way to save money on the bag is if you buy it in Paris or like abroad in Europe. I did go to Paris about like 5 years ago, and I thought about buying it then, and the bag that I bought at that time was like $4,000, and I was like, you know what, no, like I can buy like other bags right now. I'll eventually get the Chanel. Like it wasn't like something that it was like, oh, if I don't get it now, I'll never get it. I was like, oh, I'll get it, but like I might as well buy like more bags with the price of that. I don't know. It was obviously a stupid mistake. And then since then I haven't been back to Europe, so I've never bought the bag, and I've always pushed getting the bag too, because I was like, maybe I'll go to Europe with my friends this year, or like maybe I'll go to Europe sometime, or someone I know very closely will go and maybe can get it for me. But if you buy it in Europe, you're able to save, not only you get your money back for your taxes at the airport, so you get like a big chunk back at the airport for all of the taxes that you spent, and then you are able, in the bag there, it averages like $1,000 cheaper. It could be more, it could be less than it does in the States, because it's like, yeah, European. But yeah, so you can save a lot of money if you buy it in Europe. That being said, I'm just like not, with COVID and everything the past 2 years, I'm just like not gonna go to Europe. Well, maybe I will. I think I was planning on I'm going to India in February for my cousin's wedding, and I thought about going to Paris first and then going to India, but then I was like, you know what, that is just like too much of a commitment. That, yeah, I was able to do it this way with the Nordstrom points and everything, so I'm happy with that. Okay, so let me just do the unboxing before I waste anybody's time. This is so pretty and special. It has like a really nice bow, like a little nice flower there. And yeah, just a classic. They did a nice little ribbon here. I don't want to mess up the ribbon, so what I'm going to do is kind of just like scooch it over to the side where I can just like open it. Oh my god. It looks so pretty. Like, I'm probably not gonna open a gift and another gift during Christmas. This is like my, my big gift for myself. So yeah, you guys are watching me open like the only gift I'll get this year. Okay, so let me just like open this. Ugh, I don't want to ruin it too much. Maybe I'll just scooch it over. No. Okay, cool. Okay, so it's really well wrapped. I used to work in retail, so like I know exactly how they wrap this, so I'll be able to probably redo it. Okay, cool. Oh my god. Okay, so really cool. They have like a really nice I want to say like tissue paper, and then a Chanel sticker on it that's like kind of like, it's really cool, very rock and roll. Okay, so I'm gonna, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna open it. More tissue paper, very, very well wrapped. I'm actually happy I'm filming this because, I can always look back at this moment. Ooh, and this really nice kind of like I want to say a dust bag. Oh, to like clean it, keep it safe. So nice. I like double checked the stitching and everything when I was at the store for this bag, because my best friend Kiana recently bought a Chanel and she was like, the stitching was off and all of these things. So I was like so nervous about that, but I'm so happy that I was able to. Oh, this is like a nice little book, which is so nice. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so shiny. Oh, like one thing about a Chanel is like you could literally wear the most casual, or like literally dress like I don't know, like literally I could wear my pajamas and walk out with a Chanel and my outfit is nice. So that's like, it just stands out. I don't know. I got the small because I feel like the small is the Chanel bag is very, I want to say very classic, very sophisticated, and I feel like the small is a little bit more casual, if that makes sense, and I could wear it out more. I could wear it to dinner because it's small. I could wear it to like a wedding, or maybe, yeah, so I feel like I could wear it a lot more. And small bags are in right now. So this is how the bag looks. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I got caviar instead of lambskin because I was told that the caviar is a little bit more sturdy. It won't scratch very easily, and with me being such a klutz, I feel like this would be like a safer bag for me to get, even though I really, really love the way the lambskin looks. I feel like it looks so much more luxurious, but one day I'll get that one. But this is how this one looks like, but it's still really nice. There's like a little sticker on the double Chanel. Let me just rip that out because I'm going to use it today anyways. So pretty. So I got the double flap bag. I'm not sure if they make the single flap bag anymore. So this is how the bag looks. And what a lot of people everyone probably already knows this, but this little curve here in the back pocket where you can put like maybe your, you know, just like a card or something there. This little back pocket here is inspired by the Mona Lisa smile. Isn't that so cute? I don't know why I thought that was so cute. And then if you open the bag here, and then also the straps, you can make it long or you can make it short. I feel like this is more like, I don't know, like a little bit more sophisticated, and this is like a little bit more casual. Okay, so now I'm gonna open the bag. Oh my god, it's perfect. Another random fact is that Coco Chanel at the moment was, when this bag was either designed, she was having an affair at that time. So this little pocket here is where she would stash her love letters, which I think is just like so romantic and so special. Oh yeah, so you could stash it up here. Yeah, so I probably won't use that bag. Maybe I'll do something, but yeah, I won't probably use that. And oh my god, the classic burgundy. So this is how the bag looks inside, and there's no more authenticity cards. There's just like a little plaque in there that will have the number of your bag. Oh, it's just so special. I feel like I'll use this pocket to use like for my phone. And then the lipstick, I'm a lipstick kind of gal, so I think that's such a like very cute and perfect location for that. Oh, I just feel like she thought about everything in this bag. And I just love the double flap because of like security purposes. Because if, for example, you can have all your things in here and then double flap it and no one can go into your bag. I actually, one time in San Francisco, I was at a bar and they just like went through my bag and got my phone, which was like really sad because I lost my pictures and everything. But I just think that's really nice in terms of like security because it's like sturdier. And then this is pretty good too. But yeah, okay, yeah, this is my bag. I'm so happy. Maybe I'll show you guys what I can fit in there because a lot of people think that the small might not fit a lot of things. I think it does. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is see what fits in here, and typically in my bag I'll have literally just my phone, which is the Max. It's like the biggest size. So that's what I'm worried about, and then my wallet, which is the Louis Vuitton keychain wallet, my lipstick, Charlotte Tilbury. I'm wearing Nude Romance. I love, so romantic. And then I have my glasses. I never use the case. Legit never use the case. Knock on wood, nothing happens. And then my AirPods. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to see how I honestly never always have my AirPods, but we'll see. So I put my AirPods in here in like one of the compartments up there. I'm gonna put my lipstick in the middle. Okay. Then my little wallet. I feel like if you have a big wallet, you might have trouble. But here is my iPhone, which I'll put in the big section here. And then my sunglasses, which I can literally just put anywhere really. I can either, oh, I can even move this up here. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, so what I did is I put my wallet down here so it's easier to get. And then my iPhone, my glasses, my AirPods, and my lipstick. This compartment is still open. Maybe you can put your keys in there. Yeah, this is like perfect. I was so worried about my iPhone being so big. And then when it's closed, it looks like that. So it doesn't look that full, which is perfect. So I don't want it to be like overflowed and damage the bag. Let's see. Ah, it's perfect. Okay, guys, I am so excited. I'm about to head out to Thanksgiving. Literally, I need to be at my boyfriend's at 12. Alright guys, so that is my bag, and I am so happy that I get to wear it for the very first time on such a special day on Thanksgiving Day, which I'm so excited about. But if you guys have any questions, please comment down below. I do a really good job in answering all my questions. Like if you have questions on like how I got the bag, the Nordstrom Points thing, like the gift card and how all of that works, I'm there for you guys. I can help. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day and happy Thanksgiving.